It's running. It's running.
I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Oh no, I'm about to go, yo. Shorty drop it low to pick it up. She like a yo-yo. And I'm getting so much action, I should be sponsored by GoPro. Back with a little more Hennessy inside of my red Solo, and I'm that crazy, man. I'm back, baby. Everybody in the club say this track wavy. I get stacks daily, man. These G's don't faze me. I was about to catch a body, but the DJ saved me, man. I could tell that they love my style. Okay. In the club, we always bring a crowd. Okay. Leave your girl, she might be a while. Okay. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo. Photo. I swear it'll last longer if you take a photo.
Nobody do this shit. I'm good, I would need, I would die, 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 I would need, I would die. I'm good, I would need, I would die, 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 I would need, I would die.
I'm rocking out, can't stop me now. I'm all about that dough.
Look, check me out, I'm just flexing. Wildin' out while they stressin'. And I ain't tryna meet your folks, cause the homie don't need they blessings. And the homie don't need they lessons. I ain't tryna get asked no questions. I'm tryna let it burn. I don't wanna hear your confessions. We fucked up, we ain't sober, girl. I got one cup, this ain't soda, girl. When them lights down, it's over, girl. I like Fresh Prince, you like Golden Girls. Goddamn, you all up in the way. I'm doing me, you got nothing to say. When I'm in the zone, you come in to slay. It's money to make, it's coming today. The homies got dank on 3P. Everybody got bank like TD. You don't wanna see the kid in 2K. Everybody get spanked like Riri. But it's moosh money, stop playing with me. Got two girls and they stand with me. I'm so throwed, I can't think, and I'm busting off with the fan with me. Let's go.
I'm mobbing out with these hoes. I'm rocking out, can't stop me now. I'm all about that dough. Get it, got it, go. I'm mobbing out with these hoes. I'm rocking out, can't stop me now. I'm all about that dough.
Rapping like I got something to prove. That I'm better than you. Okay, now only thing that I know is great. Only thing that I'm not is fake. Only language I speak is true. So you and I can't compensate. And I know you haters got a lot to say. I don't give you my time of day. Say no to you and then yes to me when I come around. See, accommodate. They all doing what I say. I bring the table to my plate. Trying to get this money like 5 ways. So paydays and just Fridays. I'm always in tip-top shape. I'm a giant, I skyscrape. And small talk, me know I blade. Cause everything I do grande and they waiting for me to fall. Boy, I hope you got some patience, cause I work to get where I am, dog. It ain't take that long to get hot. And my nabby told me I'm only seconds from pulling into your spot. Look, I started with nothing but changing my pocket. What more can I say? Now my name is the topic, but all they can say is how much